that? No way! Oh my world! Ah. Oh, Lizzie. I've just been summoned to a tribunal. Of course, darling, I'll call you later. Alright.
Pamela, this is an office. You can't be making calls and shouting on top of your voice, disturbing the peace of this establishment. What is wrong with you? Well, Martin told me that most of the workers have not been paid for the last 4 months.
Well said. Did he also give you the reason?
What stupid reason would make you withhold people's money for the past 4 months in this hard economy?
Exactly the point. This hard economy. Why would they waste materials and resources during production and still come out with inferior products for the company?
That's not true. I don't think so. Because most of these guys you're talking about have been working here for the past 20 years and they've never, ever wasted any resources.
I will not spend a dime on incompetent people because as it stands, I will be summoned as to why the company is headed towards bankruptcy.
Pamela.
This conversation is over, Charles.
She's lying, sir.
I know. I want you to tell the workers to go back to their seat. They should resume work. Okay? I have everything under control. Okay?
No problem, sir.
Yeah, but why wasn't I informed about this before now?
Sir, you know that the king put her there and said I should report and take instructions from her alone.
Really?
Yes, sir.
It's okay. You can go.
Thank you, sir.
My father just wants to wreck this company. Too bad.
How will she be owing people for 4 months? This is pure wickedness. How will people with family feed? Are you talking to father about this?
And what do you think he will do about it? What do you think he will do about this? Wasn't he the person who made her head of finance?
What was he even thinking?
I said the thing is that father did it just to solidify his friendship with King Ojadike. Despite that, I don't see the reason he should take the position and bestow it upon my wife. I'm tired of this whole thing.
Oh, come on. Don't talk like that. I know you're saying this out of anger. Calm down. Okay?
Your Majesty, this is the 7th time this is happening. She can't be going around with parcel of cocaine and other hard drugs.
Detective, I must appreciate you for your timely intervention. We are grateful.
You're welcome, Your Majesty. Please, you really have to talk to her. There is a special anti-drug force in the state now, solely saddled with this responsibility. If she gets into their net, it's going to be pretty bad. My hands are going to be very tight.
It's all right. I've heard you. Thank you.
You're welcome, Your Majesty. I have to take my leave now.
Call her for me.
All right, Dad.
What have I done to deserve this humiliation? What have I done? I mean no harm.
If she keeps getting off the hook, she will never know that people get caught and prosecuted for crimes they commit.
I told the king about the new team in the state.
You did?
I had to. At least now they will know that it has gone beyond our radar.
Her father kept getting her off the hooks too many times.
Oh, come on, Magnus. All that is about to change now.
You think so?
Yeah.
What is it?
See, I can explain that the man you are talking about, he's just a customer. Yes. There's nothing going on between us. He came to the book one day and we're having really bad sales. I just persuaded him. I pleaded with him to buy from us, and that's how he just kept coming. He's just a customer. Nothing is going on between us.
And when you realized he was a crown prince, you decided to leave me for him, right? No!
What do you mean by crown prince?
Look here. Don't you dare try to play dumb with me. You don't understand?
Charles is a crown prince.
Don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm saying.
He didn't tell me anything.
Listen to me, woman. No woman can fool me. I know you have been sleeping with the prince.
No.
And you think you can get to me, or what?
No.
I don't want to hear anything from you.
I am serious, Zay. There is nothing going on. I didn't even know he was a crown prince. He just came as a customer. I thought...
Now listen, wait, listen. I don't want ever to see you again.
No.
Did you get that?
He hasn't got into this night. I'm serious. I'm not having anything to do with it. I beg you, please.
Keep your lies to yourself.
Zay, please. Zay. What is it? Why are you crying? What happened? He just accused me of sleeping with Prince Charles. And he said he doesn't want to have to... He doesn't want to be with me again.
Wait, is that why you are crying? Is that why you are shedding tears? When you ought to be happy? Yes! I've always told you that you are wasting your time with that man called Nze. I don't believe he's the right man for you. Eh? Wipe your tears, my daughter. By the way, where is the Prince Charles he's talking about?
Charles? Charles we know, apparently he's a prince and he's been hiding it from us.
What?
Yes. He's the crown prince, the first son of King Obinwa.
It's a lie. You're joking. I mean, why should he hide such a prestige from us? Why? Prestige, Mama. Yes. Do you know what it means for a crowned prince to be attracted to you? Look at us.
A crowned prince who is married. And the man that is supposed to be my boyfriend is accusing me of sleeping with him. Do you know what is more painful? The fact that people I thought I knew do not know me. And I do not even know the people that know me. See, after all these years, would think so little of me. And Charles, on the other hand, has been hiding the fact that he's a prince from us. And now he thinks I'm with Charles because he's royalty and he is a prince.
No. You should not worry yourself about this. But do you now confirm that Nze does not have any sense? Onwelo sense, macha. He is senseless, useless, stupid. If you go here, or would you actually make your favorite? Who told him that you know that Charles is a prince? Go ahead, Walia.
That's the problem. Mama, I did not even know. I did not know, and he thinks that I knew all along. That's why I went for Prince Charles. I did not even know. We had no idea. I'm even surprised that I can't even believe it.
Ne, wipe your tears. Eh? I've always taught you not to allow anyone to make you feel less of a woman. Not even Nze. Konyobo. He not rich. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry. I don't want anything to disturb you. I'll call you later. Don't worry, Nouah.
What's going on, Charles?
I should be asking you. What is going on? What are you doing with the company's account? Huh? The company account is empty. Who sent you? Who are you, Pamela?
You just said my name. Princess Pamela. Your wife.
I am not playing games with you. I'm not messing with you, Pamela. I just finished talking with Martins on the phone a few minutes ago.
And how does that affect the price of palm oil in the market?
Just shut up and hear me out.
Why are you harassing me, Charles? What is this?
What are you doing with the company's money? The company account is empty. What are you doing with the money? Pamela, you want to wreck my father's company? Who are you?
The money I took from the company's account will be duly refunded. Okay?
Did you tell me?
And can you tone down your voice when you're talking to me because the noise is making me crazy?
Did you tell me my father before start doing your stupid things?
Excuse me? Tell you or your father? Why? It's not necessary. I just told you that the money will be duly refunded. Besides, I'm the authorizing authority as far as company's finance is concerned. So please, turn it down a notch.
Whatever you are, I do not care to know. Now listen to me. I give you 1 week to return all the money you've used. Else, we will ride it together.
Whatever, Charles. I've said what I need to say. So that's it. Come in. Your Majesty.
Pamela. As you know, there is nothing, absolutely nothing within my past that you will ask for and you've ever asked for that I have not granted. As a matter of fact, I have denied my 2 sons several privileges and opportunities just for you to have them. I hope you are not mistaking my magnanimity for weakness.
Your Majesty,
Well, Charles has given you 1 week ultimatum. I am making it 1 month. At the expiration of that period, if you don't return every single kobo that you took from my company, I will so deal with you. And your father will do nothing about it. Because as we speak, he is already aware.
my father must definitely tell me what both of you discussed. Because no one, not even you, Your Majesty, dares to threaten Princess Pamela. No one. Pick up, Father. Pick up. Father.
Okay, Mama, I have to take my leave now.
Binyelo, won't you at least come and bid farewell to your visitor? I think you know the reason why she is still unhappy.
Yes, Mama, I know. At least I still have to give her some time to get over it.
Please. I am a poor widow, single-handedly taking care of my fatherless child. I don't want to incur the wrath of King Ojadike. Not at all. Everyone in this community dreads him. Please.
Mama, your daughter and I are just casual friends. There's nothing to attached, okay? Yes, it's just that that's the way she makes me feel whenever I'm around her, which makes me to always come around. That's just it.
She is all I have. Everything I have. Please.
It's okay. She's my friend. And I will assure you that no harm will befall her. Okay?
Thank you, my prince.
It's okay, man. I have to go now.
It's okay.
No matter what, the will of God must be done. No matter what, if a chukukume man no propose, God will dispose. So who can change the minds of the gods? For the gods are wise.
I need to make something clear to you.
You and I have nothing to say to each other. You should know that by now, Charles.
I know. And I'm also aware of your pointless attack on Binyelum. And you need to know that Binyelum and I
are sleeping together. I know. And I've made peace with that.
You really need to know that Binyelum and I have nothing going on. You just need to know that.
Do you think I'm a dullard, Charles? Are you even mad? What do you take me for? Are you listening to yourself talk? You are always together, yet you tell me that you have nothing to do with each other. Are you talking to a child, Charles? Please, I want to sleep. No more.
We have nothing going on. You know, just that Binyelum gives me peace of mind. I find peace whenever I'm with her. You know, when a man is tired of nagging and problems in his home, I mean, he goes to somewhere that he can find peace of mind and relax. And with Binyelum, I find peace. Not that something is going on. Something that you clearly do not have. Anyway, the king has given you 1 month. And he's not just messing around. Good night, Jezebel.
What have I done to deserve this humiliation? What have I done? I mean no harm. And now I cry. My heart is broken. Where did I go? What did I do? So tell me why you hate me so much.
Chi, you know I love you.
I love you too.
I want you to be strong, okay? Despite all the treatment we're having here in the palace. I want you to stay here with me for as long as I'm still here, okay? And I want you to do one thing for me. Please. Always be careful, okay?
I promise.
Please. Just be careful because of this devil. You know what? Just relax. Very soon, I have my own plans. Very soon, you and I will get married. Okay? When I'm ready, we'll get married. And once we get married, we'll move away from this palace. We'll go somewhere else and start our own family.
That's so sweet. I mean, I really can't wait. I can't wait to start having children for you. I can't wait to start taking care of you in our own home.
And me too. I can't wait to see you and I with our children surrounding the table. I mean, having a peaceful home.
Our home will be extremely peaceful.
Sure.
Not like what we find in the palace, where one woman has made herself a thorn in everyone's flesh, even her husband.
Don't mind that wicked woman.
That is a business, okay?
I thank God you didn't even look up to her. I didn't mean you're behaving like
please.
her.
Who is she?
I wouldn't have come close to you.
If you know that she's a princess, what would I have done to her? Eh? Would have beaten her deep.
To me, she's not a princess. So. She's not a princess. She doesn't behave like a princess, honestly. She's a devil. Honestly, I thank God you're not that kind of person. If you're that kind of person, I would have even looked aside. Talk more of getting married to.
To deserve this humiliation, what have I done? No harm. Now I cry. My heart is broken. What did I do? So tell me why you hate me so much.
Why would she be crying?
I don't know, but whatever that is making her cry must be very serious.
You know, that is what happens when people think that the whole world and everything in it revolves around them.
Bro, you're not sounding pitiful.
No, I'm not. You know, Pamela needs to understand that she needs everyone to work with, despite her color, her status, her language, and whatever about her. Okay? People need to be treated right, not treated anyhow.
Right. She might just turn a new leaf. To me, that's what I believe.
Good for her, if she ever does.
I pray so.
You should be drinking some good wine, not this. Not like this. I'm more than this. I'm a big boy.
I know that smile. What is it this time?
If what I heard was what I believe, then there is trouble in the land.
Ifoma, you like hearing things all the time. What did you hear this time?
I think I heard the almighty Princess Pamela crying in her room.
Crying? That's not possible. When did you hear it?
I think her sins are beginning to sort out. I leaned over her window and I heard her loud and clear.
Are you serious? Yes. This is serious. Come. You need to tell me more. Come.